Today, I am reviewing the Emporia Level 2 EV charger. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Making the switch to an electric vehicle is an exciting milestone, but it quickly introduces a new daily logistical puzzle. How to charge your car at home quickly, safely, and without driving your monthly utility bill through the roof. While many electric vehicles ship with a standard Level 1 emergency power cord that plugs into a regular household outlet, relying on that setup is an exercise in extreme patience, often requiring over 24 hours to add a meaningful amount of driving range. That is where a high-powered Level 2 charging station becomes an essential home upgrade. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at the Emporia Level 2 EV charger. Outfitted with a standard universal J1772 connector, a 25-foot heavy-duty cable, and built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, this particular white-clad charging station claims to deliver premium, ultra-fast charging speeds alongside highly sophisticated data tracking, all while remaining surprisingly affordable compared to its main competition. Let's dive deep into the design, installation flexibility, smart app capabilities, and daily performance to see if it deserves a permanent spot on your garage wall. When you first unbox the Emporia charger, the immediate impression is one of clean, understated industrial design. The primary housing features a sleek, durable white plastic enclosure that carries an impressive NEMA Type 4 weatherproofing rating. This rating is an important detail for potential buyers, as it means the internal circuitry is completely sealed against heavy dust, rain, sleet, and snow, allowing you to confidently mount this station on an outdoor driveway or an exposed exterior wall just as easily as inside a climate-controlled garage. The bundled 25-foot charging cable is exceptionally robust and long enough to easily reach the charging port of your vehicle regardless of whether you prefer to pull into your space nose first or back in. The rubber compound used on the cord remains impressively pliable and easy to loop even when temperatures drop, preventing that annoying stiffness that plagues lower-grade charging cables. Furthermore, the standard J1772 connector handle feels incredibly solid and tactile in the hand, locking into place with a reassuring, heavy mechanical click when you plug it into a vehicle. Emporia also includes a rugged, separate metal holster in the box, giving you a dedicated place to cleanly dock the handle and wrap the heavy cord when it is not actively in use. One of the standout selling points of the Emporia Level 2 station is its immense installation versatility, which allows the unit to adapt seamlessly to your home's existing electrical infrastructure. Out of the box, the unit comes pre-configured as a convenient plug-in device featuring a standard NEMA 14 to 50 heavy-duty plug. If you already have a dedicated 40-amp or 50-amp 240-volt outlet in your garage, similar to what a large clothes dryer or electric range uses, you can simply mount the metal wall bracket, slide the charger into place, plug it in, and immediately begin fueling your vehicle. When utilized via this plug-in method on a 50-amp circuit breaker, the unit safely throttles its continuous power output to 40 amps, which is the maximum safe threshold permitted by the National Electrical Code for plug-connected loads. This 40-amp output translates to a highly respectable charging speed, adding roughly 38 miles of driving range to your battery for every single hour it is plugged in. However, if you want to unlock the absolute maximum performance this station can offer, a certified electrician can easily remove the pre-attached NEMA plug and convert the entire unit into a permanent, hardwired configuration. By hardwiring the Emporia directly into a dedicated 60-amp circuit breaker, the charger scales its continuous output up to a roaring 48 amps. Operating at this maximum threshold, the unit delivers up to 11.5 kilowatts of raw power, sending up to 46 miles of driving range into your car's battery pack every hour. This is up to 9 times faster than a traditional Level 1 wall outlet, meaning even the largest long-range electric vehicle batteries can be completely replenished from 0 to 100% in a single overnight session while you sleep. Beyond the raw physical charging speeds, the true brain of the Emporia ecosystem lies within its advanced smart features, powered by a built-in 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi radio. By pairing the station to the free Emporia Energy smartphone app, you transform a standard power delivery box into an incredibly intelligent energy management hub. The onboarding process inside the app is highly intuitive, using a localized Bluetooth connection to quickly transfer your home network credentials directly to the hardware. Once connected, the app's main dashboard provides beautiful, real-time visual charts displaying exactly how much electricity your vehicle is drawing down to the second. The biggest financial benefit of this smart integration is the robust automated scheduling system. In many regions, utility companies charge premium electricity rates during peak afternoon and evening hours, while offering significantly cheaper, discounted rates during the middle of the night. The Emporia app allows you to easily plug in your specific local utility rate structure, enabling the charger to automatically delay the start of a session until the cheapest off-peak electricity window opens up. You can set completely distinct schedules for weekdays and weekends, or manually override the system with a single tap on your screen if you happen to need an immediate emergency top-off. Every single charging event is cleanly logged in a historical database, breaking down your usage by total kilowatt hours spent and actual monetary cost, allowing you to track exactly how much money you are saving by driving electric. Safety and component longevity are paramount when dealing with high-voltage residential electrical equipment, and Emporia has spared no expense in ensuring this station meets the most rigorous safety criteria in the industry. The unit is fully Underwriters Laboratories listed, meaning its internal safety mechanisms, overheating protections, and integrated ground fault circuit interrupter have been subjected to exhaustive, independent destructive testing to guarantee absolute consumer safety. It is also fully Energy Star certified, ensuring it draws virtually zero parasitic power when sitting idle in standby mode waiting for a vehicle to connect. Thanks to the universal implementation of the secure SAE-J 1772 connector standard, this charger boasts absolute universal compatibility with every single mass-market electric vehicle and plug-in hybrid currently on North American roads. It functions flawlessly with mainstream models like the Chevrolet Bolt, Volkswagen ID.4, Nissan Leaf, Ford Mustang Mach-E, Hyundai Ioniq models, and luxury options from BMW, Audi, and Jeep. Furthermore, if you happen to drive a Tesla, the Emporia works beautifully when paired with the simple J1772 to Tesla adapter that ships standard with every Tesla vehicle, making it a truly future-proof garage investment regardless of what automotive brand you choose to buy down the road. To conclude, the Emporia Level 2 EV charger is a resounding triumph that effortlessly ticks every single box a modern electric vehicle owner could possibly look for. It effectively shatters the notion that you have to spend an exorbitant amount of money to get a high-quality, smart, high-amperage home charging station. By delivering up to 48 amps of blisteringly fast hardwired power, a rugged, beautifully weatherproof dual-purpose chassis, and a masterfully designed smartphone app that grants total control over your energy budget, Emporia has created one of the most compelling value propositions on the market today. Backed by an ironclad commitment to safety certifications and universal vehicle compatibility, it represents a flawless, hassle-free upgrade that will drastically elevate your daily EV ownership experience. Whether you want a simple plug-and-play installation or a maximum power hardwired setup, the Emporia charging station earns an incredibly enthusiastic and well-deserved recommendation.